How to transfer Sol from a Phantom wallet to Kraken 2025 updated tutorial. So first of all, you'll need your Phantom wallet with as well in it a verified Kraken account, your Kraken Sol deposit address, and first of all, you need to log in to Kraken, open the Kraken app or go to kraken.com, and after that you have to log into your account and head to funding and then deposit and search and select Sol, that's Solana. Choose the Solana network, copy the Solana deposit address, starts with SO, and after that you have to open your Phantom wallet and then launch the Phantom wallet browser extension or mobile app. Make sure your Solana balance is available and unlocked, and after that click send in Phantom, paste the Kraken Solana deposit address you copied, enter the amount of Solana you want to send, and you can add a memo if Kraken requires it, usually not needed for Solana. And after that you have to double check the address, select next, then approve to confirm the transaction. You may be prompted to enter your wallet password or approve via Face ID. And Solana is very fast. Funds usually arrive at Kraken within 1 to 2 minutes. If the network is congested, it may take up to 10 to 15 minutes. And let me tell you some important notes, like only use the Solana network. Do not send via other chains. Always test with a small amount first if you are unsure. And Kraken does not require a memo or tag for Solana deposits as of 2025. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.